Hello everyone, my name is Pooja. Today's date is 25 April. Today's video topic name is Java versions and the changes done in every version. So first Java version is JDK Alpha and Beta, which is released in 1995. The Java Alpha and Beta was the first release version, but they have highly unstable version because of an API and ABI. The supply of Java web browser was named as WebRunner. After that, the next version is JDK 1.0, which is released in 13 January 1996. It was the first stable release version in Java. Its code name as the Oak. The first stable version of the JDK was JDK 1.0.2 and it was called as the Java 1. Up to the JDK 1.0.1, the private and protected keywords could be used together and created the another form of protection, which is used to act as the restriction to the methods or the variables, mainly to the subclasses of the given class. Next is a JDK 1.1, which is released in 19 February 1999. In this version, they have to add the additional features like the concept of inner class, JDBC, Java Beans, RMI, AWT events, JIT, internationalization, etc. Next version is J2SE 1.2, which is released in 8 December 1998. Uh, its code name was Playground. It stands for means J2SE stands for Java 2 Platform Standard Edition. It replaced JDK to recognize the base platform for the J2SE and J2ME. It was a very important Java release as it tripled in size. Of the Java platform, 1520 classes and the 59 packages in this version. They have some additional features like Java plugin, Java ideal implementation, JIT compiler, Swing, collection frameworks, etc. Next is the J2SE 1.3, which is released in 8 May 2000, and its code name was Kestrel. They also have added the additional features like the hotspot JVM includes, RMI was modified, JNDI, Java Platform Debugger Architecture, uh, Proxy class, Java Sound, etc. Next is the J2SE 1.4, which is released in 6 February 2002, and its code name was Merlin. It was the first Java platform which released under the Java community. This version, additional features are improved library, uh, IPv6 support, logging API, XML parser, security, uh, regular expression includes, exception handling, uh, cryptography, etc. Next is a J2SE 5.0, which is released in 30 September 2004, and its code name was Tiger. This process also was released under the Java community process. Security and the support update for the Java 5.0. And on the November 3, 2009, but the update were available to paid Oracle customers until the May 2015. There are some improvement in the standard libraries like the automatic sub generation for the RMI object, Swing, scanner class, Next Java version is Java SE6, which is released in 11 December 2006, and its code name was Mustang. After the release of this version, the Java replaced the name Java 2 SE to the Java SE, and they dropped the O from the version number. And additional features was drop and support the older versions, scripting language support, generic API, JDBC and support, Java compiler API, improve the web service support, scripting language support, generic APIs, etc. Next version is Java SE7, which is released in 28 July 2011, and its code name was Dolphin. And the additional features are JVM support for the dynamic language, compress the 64 bits pointer, automatic resource management, string added in a switch, provide the Java development rule set, binary integer literals, undergoes allowed to numeric literals, etc. Next version is Java SE8, which is released in 18 March 2014, and its code name was Spider. And the additional features are language level support for the lambda expression, annotation for the Java types, provides the date and time API, repeating annotations, launching Java FX, remove the permanent generation, allow the developers to embed the JavaScript code within the applications. Java SE8 is not supported for the Windows XP, but after the JDK 8 updation, we can install and run under the Windows XP in a Java SE8 version. Next is the Java SE9, which is released in 21 September 2017. In 2016, Oracle discussed some features to release in the Java 9. They have hope in the Java 9 version they have to include the better support for the multi-gigabyte in heaps, better for the native code integration and the different default garbage collector, etc. The additional features are modularization of the JDK, provide the money and the concurrency APIs, tight integration with the Java FX, Java linker, automatic scaling and sizing, Java implementation of reactive statement streams, more concurrency and in updation, etc. Next version is Java SE10, which is released in 20 March 2018. Java SE10 was released to remove the primitive data types and move towards 64-bit addressable array to support the large data sets. It was released on 20 March 2018, and they have added 12 more features in this version. 12 features are local variable type interface, experimental Java based JIT compiler, application class data sharing, garbage collector interface, parallel full stack GC, time based release version, thread local handshake, root certificate, additional Unicode language, remove the native headers in the generation tools, JDK forest into the single repository, etc.